adventure. Today we're at Roskillys, which is on the Lizard Peninsula near St Kerverne. We've come in to have something to eat, but they've stopped serving food. It's 3 o'clock and they stopped serving food at 3. So I'll show you the menu, but just to keep that in mind. They start serving again at 5, but at the moment it's just ice cream and drinks. Of course, Roskillys is an ice cream factory. Is that what you call it?
I would say factory, ice cream place.
An ice cream farm. They actually make ice cream, but we don't know whether it's here or not. So let me show you the menu. So that's the story of it. It's a dairy farm. There you go. So there's drinks. I'm going for a Diet Coke. Archie's had a milkshake. And breakfast, that's 9:30 to 11. I'll show you down there. Going into small dishes. And as you can see, it's served 12 noon till 3 and then from 5 till 7:30. And the pizzas, Archie's had a pizza from here. It was nice, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And I can definitely recommend the ice cream sundaes and the drinks. The alcoholic drinks there. And there's a little map about the farm and the lands. So you come out of the cafe and there's a courtyard, very nice courtyard, where you can eat, have your ice cream. There's a store there. That's the side of the store. This is the wood-fired pizza where they cook the pizzas, which are really nice. You've got a tractor that the kids can sit on, and then there's a gallery. Some really nice things. Oh, look at that kite. Watch the step.
There's biscuits, you know.
Dog biscuit. We don't have dog. Oh my gosh, look at those. How sweet are they? So there's a little sign on the side. Let me just show you what the sign says. We're in there. Free to a good home. How sweet are they?
The way he just shoves them out of the way, look. So that little one's just gone, oi, move. You come on.
So you've got the wood for the wood-fired barbecue, wood-fired oven. The toilets are over there. You can certainly smell the wood fire. So now we're going to go for a walk.
Try to ignore me now.
As usual, those two are being daft. You've got a picture gallery there, and then we go along this pretty little lane to go into the walk. Isn't it amazing here? The Lizard Peninsula is one of my favourite parts of Cornwall. It is so picturesque. So on the way round to the walk, you've got some animals. You've got a pig. There he is. Oh, piggies. Nice and muddy. Lovely. And then up the hill you've got some more animals. There's some things over there. Oh, is there something else in there? Yeah, there's some more pigs in there.
Several pigs in the woods. Not really.
So Archie's just pointed out this. There's 13 piglets. I wonder if they're in there. Probably. They were born on the 24th of February.
Which year though?
Well, they're very cute. I wouldn't like one in my house though, but you know, they're nice to look at. So here are some more roosters. Oh, having a little argument. And there's a sign up on the fence up there, they're free to a good home. So, oh, look at him. This little clip is especially for Becky.
Yeah.
Also known as the
Or-
unicorn mummy.
Or the Three Mouseketeers.
Yeah, one of the Mouseketeers.
So there you go, free to a good home. We know what...
Oh, exactly.
Right on cue, thank you. So we know what we're getting Becky for Christmas. So in the next pen is supposed to be Wiltshire Horn lambs. Oh, over there, sheep. Let's see if I can get sheep. So yeah, there's some sheep. There's a goose over there with a goat. And some more pigs. Seem to have a lot of pigs. We've got a goose over there. So we've crossed over the road and you come into the walk. You are welcome to random free maps available. You can come over here. We've had a few times where we've come over here and eaten ice cream in one of those nice little hut things with the chairs. We're going this way today. So you can come back either way, it all comes back to the same part. Peaceful and stunning. Oh, and there's a cow over there. Several cows. And there they are. This is one of the ponds. I think there's about 3 or 4 ponds, or there might be only 2, but there's a couple of ponds, let's say. Just so pretty. Archie's threatening to jump in there, as usual. The nutter that he is. And then if he jumped, of course, the big kid would have to jump in too. Big kid. So yeah, how stunning is this? A really nice walk. This is the tree Archie always likes to climb. And then big kid has to do it too, look. You've got a meadow over there that we're going to walk through in a minute. I'll turn you around onto those 2 in a minute. And again, just the wonderful sights and sounds of the country. Yeah, there he is. He's climbing. God. So now we're going to go through the meadow into Withy Woods. So, I've just thought this is a deer.
It's what?
Oh. Well, it looked like a deer. Okay, it's not a deer.
It's not a deer.
So just watch your feet because there's some mud about. But look, you can see the sea over there. I can't get over how pretty all these yellow flowers are there. Oh. Buttercups, yes.
Flowers.
Yes, and if they light up under your chin, you like butter apparently.
Yeah.
Or so my old nanny used to say. There's another view of the sea with the yachts on. There's quite a few yachts today. Well, this is the old orchard that used to provide the apples for the farm.
The ancient people.
Well, probably for the cafe actually, like ancient people.
Or the ancient drunkards.
For the cider. So now we're going into the undergrowth. This is the woods.
Hey, headless horseman, this way comes.
Can you hear him? Can you hear that? They have pigs in woods around here. He has seen pigs in the woods. He has.
It's an 80s term.
Unicorn in woods.
It's an 80s term.
It's not an 80s term. There's a sign. I'll show it you when we get there. It says pigs in woods.
What's the barbed wire?
We could be in the Blair Witch, couldn't we? Crows above. So as I told you, and he wasn't believe us, pigs in woods.
Where?
Let's find the pigs in woods. So yes, now we're going to a muddy bit. Ugh. So don't come in your flip-flops. Well, there was no way I could avoid that. Oh, the joys of the country. Ooh. So we found the little bridge. It's a oh, Archie. Okay. Yeah, it's a path. You can't get lost. You just follow the path. But here, how lovely is that? The little water wheel. Just let you listen to it for a little minute. How cute. So we took the wrong turn in and up to Glen, that was of course, and we've come out on the road. Oh, get up bed. So we're just going to walk along the road. He has no idea where he's going. So we're walking up a very narrow road. No idea where we're going. Wish us luck. This is our way back. Very unorthodox way to get back there.
No.
But yeah, we're going up a little lane. Yeah. The meadow we walked through is over there, so we are okay, but it's just a different route. And we're back into, oh, there's a little dog here, come to see us. We're back into the pond area.
We haven't got any food.
So these are really nice to sit and eat your ice cream. You look over onto the pond and the nice views of the countryside.
Hello?
Nice views of the countryside. So how was your fly?
Oh, yeah, it's not quite gone down. It's around here somewhere. I don't know.
Glenn has just swallowed a fly.
Something like that.
Yeah. He doesn't know why he swallowed a fly.
I don't know though.
And Archie's having a little pit stop.
Archie's sitting down.
I'm back to the car and I see they've opened an overflow car park over there. So yeah, there's plenty of parking, it's all free. Well, for a first for us, living in Cornwall, we've come down to a new beach, and I'm going to pass you over to Glenn to explain what it's called.
Porthouse Stock. Or Porthouse, I don't know, Porthouse Stock.
Yeah,
it's a bit of a pebbly beach.
It is. I mean, we do live in Cornwall and we've been here for 10 years, but the Cornish dialect is quite hard sometimes. So yeah, I'll show you around. Oh, by the way, it's just really past St Kerverne, which is where Roskillys is, so it's not too far away. Very pebbly beach, no sand. But yeah, I don't know what that big building is over there. It doesn't look very pretty. I'll show you. So that's the building I was just saying about. Doesn't look very picturesque, does it? And here is the pebbly beach. Got some construction working over there. Got something stuck on my foot. The car parking is free. Well, put it this way, we haven't seen a park. Oh, look what Gwen's found. Is it alive? Right, look at this.
Still going.
Look at what Gwen's found.
Wow, wow. Hello, Mr. Crab.
So yeah, it looks a bit rough. Thought I'd give you a few sounds of the sea. I absolutely love that sound. So we've just spotted this boat, ship of some description. What did you say it was, Glenn?
Yeah, can't keep it steady at that distance. I think it's was it Fraser Bird? Cruising Bird.
Don't know, it's a foreign ship.
Bird.
Sounds sort of Norwegian. So I've got you really zoomed in here, so I'm hoping it stays still enough for you. But the ship that you can see on the horizon is a border force ship, boat, gig, whatever you call them. And that one over there I showed you before, it says Verona, so it wasn't Norwegian. Hello and welcome back to Roskillys. We've decided we're going to come back and have our tea here, and then I don't have to cook when we get home. So I'm going to go for the dirty fries. Archie's having a pizza and Glenn's having a burger. So I'll show you when it comes. The food's come. Archie's got a kid's pizza. Cheese and tomato pizza, which is a good size for a kid's pizza. How much was that? Was it £7.50? 50. And Glenn's got your standard burger.
Cheeseburger basically, but it's got
white cabbage on it.
White cabbage
And that was £9. So we just made. But I did think chips came with it.
Shallots, white cabbage.
Oh, and we're just waiting on my dirty fries. And I think my dirty fries were £7.50 worthy, or something like that. So yeah, I'll just show you mine when they come. So here are my dirty fries without the fermented hot sauce. Looks really good. And we've also got a portion of fries. How's your pizza up to now? Really good. What about your burger? Thumbs up? Yeah. Oh, that looks nice. Well, that was really good. We think that the white cabbage on the burger was a bit strange, wasn't it? It was just too crunchy. It wasn't pickled or cooked, it was just basically raw cabbage. But everything else was lovely. Well stuffed now. So we're going to hit the road and get home. So we're home now. I had a fantastic day. The weather was amazing. Didn't even have my cardi or my jacket. It was lovely. It was really nice weather. I absolutely love Roskillys, and I love the Lizard Peninsula, and yeah, all of the beaches and everything around there. It's so wild, and yeah, just so beautiful. Then we went over to that beach. I can't remember how you say it again. It wasn't what I would call a pretty beach. It was a pebble beach, and I didn't particularly like that big building, whatever it was. I haven't looked it up yet because we've only just come home. So I probably wouldn't go there again, but it was so near to Roskillys, and Archie wanted to go and have a look at the beach. Then we went back to Roskillys to have our tea, dinner to some people, but I'm from the north, so it's always tea. I just forgotten from it, I had the loaded fries, which weren't fries, they were fatter chips. But it was very nice, really tasty. I'm as full as anything, and I was supposed to be eating really well. But never mind, I'm still going to count it as because I'm doing Weight Watchers or WW, so I will still point it and it'll be fine. Archie's pizza was amazing. The children's size, I would have been absolutely fine with it, and it looked really nice, and Archie enjoyed it. Glenn's burger was absolutely lovely. Apart from that, white cabbage. So, and he had trouble. I said to him, just scrape it off and have it without it, but it had they're like the pickled onions on it, and it was sort of attached to the cabbage. But yeah, all in all, It's been an amazing day. I've really enjoyed it, and I'm so glad to take you along. But for now, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.